Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're exploring Givebutter, the non-profit fundraising platform consistently rated 1 on G2 in 2025. In the next 6 minutes, I will show you how to create campaigns, accept donations, run events and auctions, engage supporters, and manage donor data, all from one unified platform. Givebutter is a modern fundraising platform for nonprofits and change makers. It includes donation forms, fundraising pages, event ticketing, peer-to-peer campaigns, auctions, CRM, communications, mobile giving, and payouts. Many features are free thanks to a transparent tip or fee model. It is paid for its easy and value. So just click on sign up for free and you're gonna have access to most of these features. You're just gonna have to provide the details for the company that you work with or that you have. Just keep in mind that the processing fees are gonna be 2.9%, okay? So that's important to notice. Now in the main dashboard, we have four main areas, which are basically campaigns, transaction, contacts, and engage, okay? These are the main four areas for me. We're gonna start by creating a new campaign. What campaigns are going to allow us to do is basically to build branded fundraising pages with custom fill and donor thermometers, okay? So let's just click in here and let's just click on new campaign, guys. Now you have three different choices, which are the donation form, the fundraising page, and the events. For most of you, the donation form and the event are going to be enough and are going to be what you actually need, okay? Events are for, online and, physical events that you want to, host. And the donation forms are, just what they sound, okay? It's just a simple form where people are going to be able to donate, okay? So this is exactly what I'm going to do. Let's give this a name. And now, guys, we have to basically select a goal, okay? This is going to be like a progress bar in our page, okay? And let's say that we want to, for example, collect $25,000. This is what we're going to set. I also strongly recommend you to customize your page with a theme color. So just click in here and just select for one of these colors. Green colors work really well for this kind of campaign. So let's click on save here. And now just clicking here to upload a photo, and you can also do a video, okay, from YouTube and from your computer even, okay? So that's pretty much it. Now, very important, guys, you have to add a description to your campaign, okay? So this is essential. Here you have to explain what you want to do and so on and so on, and who you are, etc. I'm just going to recommend you to be, as precise as possible to what you want to achieve and add as many videos and as many pictures as you possibly can. Now, the sharing section is not so important. Just keep in mind that you can, share your custom link in here and you can change it. But if we go to the widgets, what we can do is we can install this widget in our website, and that's going to allow us to link this donation form to our website, okay? So I strongly recommend that you do this. This is very important for you guys. So depending on what you use, depending on if you use WordPress, Squarespace, GoDaddy, or things like that, just click on the corresponding button. If you do not use any of these platforms to build websites, if you have like a custom-made website, which is cool, just click on I use another platform, and then you have to copy this HTML code, okay, to your source basically. Now, guys, the tools is very important, and I recommend that you spend some time in here. Just make sure that, for example, you select the appropriate payment settings for what you want to do, okay? This is completely personal, but I recommend that you spend time on this. Also, you can enable recurring plans so that donators can donate to you recurrently, okay? And you can select the frequency of this. Now, this is very important as well, and it's the amounts, the suggested amounts. Depending on the business that you have, you can suggest different things for the money that they want to donate to you, okay? For example, if it's one time, you can go from $25 from $1,000, okay? So yeah, you can also show this other option to allow supporters to enter their own amount. And I highly recommend this, guys, because if you don't do this, you're gonna miss a lot of donations, okay? So yeah. Now you can also click on new custom field to add basically new field. And for example, if we just go to text, we can, I don't know, select, what is your number, what is your email, things like that, okay? So we have some information about the donation, okay? And you can click on require, okay? And you can just click on save after you finish. I strongly recommend this as well, at least like the name, the surname, things like that. Whenever you're ready, just go to settings, which is the final option. Just click on publish campaign, which I cannot activate because I don't have the payouts activated yet, but you're gonna be able to do it. And just write like a thank you message. Okay, this is important for transparency and for trust. Okay, so just click your thank you message in here. By the way, you can just click on this link here, and that's gonna take you to the preview. Okay, so just click in here, and this is how it's gonna look for a donation, for a client. Okay, this is what we have. We have the progress bar, we have the one time, so on, the monthly, so on, and it looks fine enough. Now, whenever a client contributes to your campaign, he's going to be shown in here in the transaction section. You can also choose to import or to make a new transaction manually in case that, maybe some client has donated to you some money physically or has gone to your store and has done it, So you can just do this as well, okay? Just click on new transaction. You can select the campaign, which we created before, and select the contact and the amount, okay? Similarly, you can just go to the contact section, and each time that a client donates, he's going to be saved to the contact section, okay? And you can also import new contacts. This is useful because if we just go to the engage section, we can actually, send emails to these contacts that we created before, okay? So yeah, and this is going to allow you basically to, send targeted emails and, different things which are going to be personalized and very, very useful. Just click on request access, and surely the team is going to get in touch with you to, to give you access to this feature. Before anything, of course, you're going to have to connect your bank account in the payout section. So just click on connect. It's very important to notice that your account must be from the US. Okay, it cannot be from Europe, from Asia. It must be from the US. So yeah, guys, the pros of this platform is that it's very intuitive and has a very modern UX. Even non-tech users onboard very easily. It's powerful free tier and optional add-ons with no hidden platform fees. It has excellent support, live chat with fast responses. The only cons is that the donor tracking of the team credit sometimes is confusing. And you can maybe find managing multiple campaigns a little bit less intuitive or annoying. Also, this is only gonna work if you are from the US, not from Europe. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.